What up, fam? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in DeKalb County. Well, guys, I just want to let you know that I'm trying to see if I can branch out into doing more of a commercial type of work. Got some guys from Flex Landscaping reached out to me, gave me a call, and asked me would I come and do a ride along with them today. Basically, they do parks and for DeKalb County. So I'm here in DeKalb County, and I'm being honest, I am a little nervous about it because you ain't seen it all yet, but it's a nice size. It don't seem too hectic, you know what I'm saying? But I don't like surprises. I really don't like surprises. But I'm doing a ride along with them. I'm gonna see the parks, some of the parks that they do, and they said they will look out for me as far as getting some work. So these guys are real deal serious, full grade commercial, getting it in, and let's see how it gets down and how they do their work. So fam, these guys, Flex Landscaping, they've been doing commercial for like 7 years now, and they really doing an awesome job, you know. They really doing that work. So they're gonna show me around, like I said, to a few spots. They would like for me to tag along, and I'm learning today. So just seeing how they cut their yards. Well, I mean, this ain't a yard, it's a park. I'm seeing how they cut a park. And they doing a great job. A really great job. So I'm gonna ask them what their system on how to cut. Because I'm noticing that when they do cut, they're not taking the whole deck and running through the grass. They only cutting like using half the deck to cut the yard, you know. And this grass, or that height, is that straw grass, and I hate straw grass. The reason why I hate straw grass is because when you cut it, you don't get a clean cut a lot of times, so you got to go over it a few times. And that's what I'm seeing them doing, because they got a 62-inch deck, and it's taking a few passes to get it nice and clean. So I'll show you. The entrance of the park. Pretty much, you know, I'm gonna see whether or not they have to blow this, but you know, this is not a customer's yard, so I don't think the grass clipping is gonna be frowned upon. 'Cause I do see some all along here, and I don't see anybody blowing them or anything like that. I do see that he's going over it several times. We'll see. Grass clippings. All right, fam, they knocked it out. Lickety split. They got a 12-man crew. And they came in here and knocked this bad boy out. No problem. We'll see.